Hey guys, today's video is going to be my November Glossybox unboxing. The quality of this video looks a little bit different is because I'm filming on my phone. Throwing it back to like 2010, 2009, even YouTube, when I used to film on my phone. I actually sold my camera that I used to make my videos. I had a Canon G7X Mark II. I sold that and I am buying a new camera, but I'm still undecided on which camera to get. I'm either gonna get the Canon M6 or the Canon M50, still undecided. Until then, we're gonna do videos on my phone and my hair. Guys, it's so freaking windy out today. It's like so freaking windy. Glossybox sent me their advent calendar for this year, which I was so excited about. Like, that was totally unexpected. If you guys want to see an unboxing of that, I'll link that video. Can't open this. Again, we have a $100 wine voucher. I got one of these last month. Stipulation with this, you do have to spend the minimum purchase is $160. So you have to spend at least $60 on wine in order to get $100 off. Okay, the box looks like this. Oh, it's pretty. All right, here we go. I'm excited because last month's Glossybox was really good. Card says, "Thank you for the love. In the spirit of the Thanksgiving season, Glossybox sends a specially designed box to say thank you to our wonderful customers who helped build our community." So here are all the products. First thing in the box is from Serum. This is the HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask. So there are 2 of these. This is what they look like. Sorry guys, lighting is gonna be like totally crazy in this video. So the HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask, you get 2 of them. Retails for $22. When your skin needs a boost, revitalize, refresh, and restore it in just one step with serums. I think I'm pronouncing that right. HCR 3-in-1 facial mask, retinol, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid plump and hydrate skin while boosting luminosity for a dramatically nourished look. I'm excited to try these. I really like the packaging. It's like messing with the lighting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Next thing in the box is from Lauren B Beauty. This is the reparative cuticle oil. So this retails for $22. This is full size. Revive and heal cuticles with a custom blend of 14 plant and flower oils. Combined with amino acids, the oil hydrates and soothes for youthful, healthy skin. Easily apply the oil with a dropper tip, and within seconds, your cuticles will be absorbing the oil's restorative properties. So that's what that looks like. I'm excited for this. This is from Steve Laurent. Steve Laurent lip gloss. In eggplant. Ooh, I bet it's gonna be like the color of my hair, maybe. So this retails for $22. It's a lip gloss made with a luxury lightweight formula that moisturizes and softens lips without irritating, clumping, and sticking of other brands. Without that irritating, clumping, and sticking of other brands. That sentence does not make any sense. Never tested on animals. The high shine of eggplant's deep burgundy color brings equal parts elegance and sensuality to your lips. So that's what that looks like. Oh, so there's that. Packaging seems very cheap. Ooh, it smells like coffee or like hazelnut. It smells like hazelnut. I'm not gonna swatch it because my hands are super dry, but this is a really, I want to go back in, really pretty color. Next in the box, oh yay, this is from Kenra. This is the Shaping Spray Extra Firm Hold Hairspray. Fun fact, the only type of hairspray I use is Kenra. I love this brand. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I have this one in like a huge bottle. This is obviously just like travel size, but I'm excited for this. I freaking love this hairspray, you guys. So the full size is $19. It is pricier, but it's totally worth it. Last thing in the box is from Georgia. Georgia. This is the Georgia Moisturizing Hand Cream by Robin McGraw. Whoa, is that, that's Dr. Phil's wife, isn't it? I'm pretty sure that's Dr. Phil's wife. It totally is. Oh, that's exciting. This is really pretty packaging. I like it. So this retails for $20. It says, a line inspired by the essence of Robin McGraw's mother, Georgia. Oh. Nourishing mango butter and antioxidant-rich milk hydrates, repairs, and protects skin. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling smooth but never slippery. So it's perfect for the woman on the go. Oh, I'm excited to try this. Oh, okay. It does smell like mangoes, but this smells very perfumey. Ooh, that absorbed like instantly, or maybe it's the fact that my skin is just so dry. It's like, gimme, gimme, gimme. Ooh, I like the smell of it. It smells more perfumey like in the tube, but once you put it on, it's very subtle. Ooh, I like it. I'm excited for this. Okay, so my thoughts on this box. This is a good box. I'm really excited for this hand cream. This hairspray, I already know I love it, so I'm excited to have a little travel size. I'm really excited to try this cuticle oil. I'm excited to try this lip color. It's a great color for fall and it'll match my hair perfectly. And then these sheet masks, yes. Although I'm afraid if I like them, that kind of sucks because they're $22 each. Like, that's a lot for one freaking mask, you know? Unless it's that amazing that you only need to use it like once a month maybe, or like once every other month. Then I'd be okay with paying that. Sorry if I kept looking like this way in the video. I should be looking like right there. Instead, I just decided to stare at myself this whole video. So that is it for my November Glossy box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing a Glossy box, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.